Turning to news for your health, there's a new at-home device that you can use to fight wrinkles.
It's called the Galvanic Spa System. It reportedly reduces wrinkles all over the body. And as CBS 4's Cynthia Demas reports, it also claims to be effective in removing cellulite.
Isabel Merritt is like most women who want to turn back the hands of time. She's tried all kinds of products, but using this little device just 10 minutes a day, 2 times a week, she says makes her face younger and firmer.
I was so surprised. Right away I could notice, because the treatment was done just on one side of my face, and I could just really feel how my eyes were lifted up, my cheeks, everything felt firmer.
The Nu Skin Galvanic Spa System is a very cost-effective way to get spa-like results in the comfort and convenience of your home. No appointments necessary.
The Galvanic Spa is about the size of an electric razor. Together with 2 separate gels, the system delivers a harmless galvanic current of different charges.
It's based on the scientific fact that like charges repel, thereby delivering more active ingredients into the skin.
Each gel is applied to the face and massaged into the skin for 5 minutes. Paula says users will see a difference right away.
Everybody's complexions will look healthier, more vibrant immediately. That will continue over a 24-hour period. You'll continue to see results, and the treatment will last for 2 or 3 days, which is why we encourage people to do it twice a week.
Working full-time and taking care of her 2-year-old doesn't leave Amanda Jackson with much time. She was sold on the convenience of an at-home beauty treatment.
After you've put the babies down, or when they're at nap, or like I said at work, it's something I'd be able to do during my lunch hour. After the second treatment, my skin felt much firmer.
The Galvanic Spa doesn't only claim to tighten up the skin on your face, it also claims to make your hair shinier, to tighten up the skin under your arms. And ladies, I saved the very, very best for last. It claims to get rid of something we all severely dislike.
One of the best things about this system is the ability to reduce the appearance of cellulite, because what the galvanic current does, and the gel that's in this body gel, it actually focuses cellular energy, improves circulation, breaks down fat and toxins, removes those toxins, so it's going to give you that firmer, more toned appearance.
For your health, Cynthia Demas, CBS 4 News.